So this is by far one of the most requested hairstyle videos. Therefore, we are gonna cover all the long hairstyles that Shah Rukh Khan had in Dawn 2. Welcome aboard, Alpha. So the first hairstyle we're gonna cover is as simple as it gets. This is just a simple half ponytail. So gather your hair in a ponytail while making the partition starting from around the temple area on both sides. And tie it in a ponytail. But while doing that, remember to push the hair on your right side to make that clean partition on the left. And this is going to be the major difference between a generic looking half ponytail and the Dawn hairstyle. Now remember, his hairstyle look much different than mine because of his hair length and type. His hair is much straighter than my own. But something I want to say about this next hairstyle is that it is much more simple to make than it looks. And remember, the products used on the hair are going to define how the hair looks. Because if you take a closer look at his hair, it looks so wet and messy. And if we look at the hairstyle itself, these are just tiny braids that are tied in a low ponytail. So while you make this hairstyle, I believe you can use a hair gel to give that sort of wet look to the hair and then a hairspray to lock it in place or give some extra volume to the hair in front. But as you can see, the base hairstyle is made this way by making these tiny braids in the front and tying them with rubber bands. And you can make as many as you want. But before you tie them into the final ponytail, first gather the rest of your hair around the neck area. Hey guys, sorry for the interruption. I just wanted to remind you that we recently hit 10,000 subscribers here on this channel, and for that we are going to do another Q&A video really soon, and you can submit your questions right now if you have any for me. It may be hair related, personal, anything you may want to ask me. I've got an Ask Me a Question story running on my Instagram right now, and it will be there for a few days until we do the Q&A video, so you can submit all of your questions there. Back to the video. And then rest the braids over the hair so that they don't end up hiding underneath the rest of the hair and they're visible by the time we are done with the ponytail. And of course, the flicks around the ears. And this third hairstyle is mostly similar to the last one with a few changes here and there. And again, this one also depends heavily on the products. But then again, the base hairstyle is not that difficult to make. You just need to make the same braids again, and this time instead of tying them in a low ponytail, you need to tie them in a simple low bun, somewhat like this. And as a final step, just pull some hair strands from around the ears and some from the neck area but only on one side. And we are done. And that's how we can easily recreate all the long hairstyles that Shah Rukh Khan had in Dawn 2. And if you liked it, a like to this video and a sub to the channel will be really appreciated. And I'd be more than happy to see you in the Alpha Army Discord server linked in the description. And with that being said, I'll see you around, Alpha.